Speak sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. We asked a dietitian to build a meal plan for the new US food guidelines. Here's what it looks like. The new Dietary Guidelines for Americans has turned the traditional food pyramid upside down, with a circular MyPlate design replacing it. The new guidelines differ from the Mediterranean diet in terms of emphasis on carbohydrates, dairy, and protein sources. The new food pyramid calls for more vegetables and fruits, less grains, and full-fat dairy, while the Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole grains, healthy fats, and limited dairy. MyPlate recommends a balance of macronutrients with a focus on lean proteins, low-fat dairy, and fruits/vegetables. All three plans emphasize reducing added sugars and processed foods in favor of whole, nutrient-dense foods. The best approach is to find a balance that works for your individual health, lifestyle, and dietary preferences, rather than strictly following any single guideline. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.